One is setting up Scope 3 targets, or they have already Scope 3 targets, net zero. So how are we going to achieve those targets that we're setting? We decided to join the Climate Choice Action Group to be able, to reach more suppliers. And rather than going with a spreadsheet, gathering content, everything it's properly set up in the Climate Choice. And then as well, it was to be able to share any challenges that might come through the first supplier engagement program, and then to learn as well from best practices from other peers in the same industry or in other industries, because there's something always to learn.
To be part of that group also helps to stay committed and have continuity in that topic. And it's really interesting to see also how others are struggling. You always feel like, oh, you're all alone on this world and so much data, it feels so overwhelming. But when you see you have other companies also facing the same challenges, it's kind of comforting views. And it's a nice group, it makes fun, and I really enjoy our weekly catch-ups.
Help us to set up a bit better on the strategy that we want to go forward with the supplier engagement program, to identify, right, that when you have a very big base of suppliers, you cannot engage all of them. You need to prioritize what are the different ways of how we can prioritize them, if it's by spend, by carbon strategic, by categories. Help up to set up the full foundation for, going into section 2 to be a bit more prepared on how we deploy our supplier engagement program.
To identify our carbon strategic suppliers, we have very good data when it comes to spend. We have very good overview of how much we spend with each supplier, but we're still lacking a little bit to identify the carbon intense suppliers.
We will have a better clarity on which are the suppliers that we can engage and get, something good out of it. So I think that will be something that it changed and that we can leverage. So it would be partnering with our carbon strategic suppliers, the one that they are a bit more mature, so that we can partner with them and see how we can decarbonize our value chain.
If you're ready to be part of the Scope 3 Action Group, well then applications are open and we are just waiting for you. Please feel free to have a look at our website to find out more, or just also reach out directly. We're looking forward to being connected.